The 17th State Aquatic Championship, which is being organised by Meghalaya Swimming Association in collaboration with the Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs Meghalaya, witnessed more than 100 participants from all over the state. Talking to DD News, the General Secretary of Meghalaya Swimming Association, Yen A. Lingdo, informed that since the last 16 years, the association has been organising the event except during COVID-19 pandemic. He further added that the organisation also provides training to the athletics and prepares them for any national event, and Meghalaya has represented twice in the national events.
The number of swimming pools that have come up in Meghalaya, in Shillong and the surrounding areas recently. So this goes to show that this sport is becoming popular and there are more swimmers today than 10 years ago. My message is very, simple. If you want to take up a sport, first of all, you have to be dedicated, you have to be committed,